Welcome to Eye on Thai Eco Series. This is a video series we look into the ecological innovations of how some Thai brands are creating their eco brands through social and environmentally friendly solutions. In this chapter, we will explore Thai eco brands that focus their efforts into going zero waste in wood manufacturing. During the manufacturing process in woodworking industry, many off-cut woods are created, which are often discarded once the process is completed. However, these Thai brands have come up with creative solutions on how to make use of every single waste wood to create unique products, thus reducing waste being discarded. Deesawat is a Thai furniture maker established in 1972. In their furniture making, the company has explored creative ways to make use of all their off-cut waste wood materials to integrate them into products.
My name is Chai Tangkitngamung. I'm from Deesawat industry. Deesawat is a wood working factory since 1972. We are specialized on solid timber from rosewood, teakwood, white oak, and also other type of hardwood for production. Right. Our specialty is that we have in-house facility for the woodworking process from log-yard sawmill, and also we have furniture production, flooring production, and door production. Right. Our specialty today is that we do a lot of customized OEM for customer in USA, in Europe, and also in Japan. And we do a lot of project requirement that the customer can customize and tailor-made to project work like hotel, restaurant, hospital, and elderly home. In terms of eco-concept, Deesawat have two options of timber available in the production. We have the plantation teak and we have natural teak for the customer, depend on the requirement and the sizing that is limited to each material, right? So we operate the zero waste productions. So that means we try to utilize all the off-cut in all the productions, and also like a small timber. We also do the mosaic flooring with the fancy pattern. That means we utilize all the small piece, cut it, and just create a new pattern into the interior decoration that can be used for the flooring and for the wall. Other than that, we also have innovation that we create products for elderly. We create the product for the hospitality, and also we do the new innovation with the production for future consumption. Right, we try to preserve the wood for future use, and we are having a design-oriented company, so we try to create the innovation plus design, and eco is the core concept in our production anyway. As I mentioned, right, we have the full process of woodworking into the factory, inside our factory. So in terms of production, right, we have a skilled craftsmanship that can do the refinement in terms of carving and also in terms of marble opal inlay as well. Right, we have traditional craft, we have modern craft, and also we have the skilled craftsmanship in terms of woodworking. That means we are very skillful in terms of joinery, in terms of wood preparation. All our products, we control the moisture content of 8 to 12% to minimize all the movement in the finished product. And also, because we have a client internationally from Asia to Europe, the material have to be able to sustain the climate change in each country. That is the good quality of the teak wood that we can offer to the customer.
next brand, Carpenter, is a family-owned wood factory located in Chiang Mai, north of Thailand. Through their eco-brand, they have focused on raising awareness of natural resources by achieving zero waste and value creation with their eco-products.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Virada Siripong. You can call me Nan, N-A-N. I'm a founder, CEO, and creative director of Carpenter Studio Company Limited. The story of Carpenter begins at my family-owned small wood factory located in the outskirts of Chiang Mai province in northern Thailand. Our business manufactures and sells wooden frames, doors, and windows for more than 25 years. Having grown up with timber, sawdust, carpentry machines every day, and study architecture, I became aware of the waste wood left from manufacturing process. Then, I joined hands with my elder sister to establish an eco-brand to tackle wood waste with exciting and innovative ways. That's how Carpenter was launched in November 2012. You might wonder what inspired me so much about wood waste back in the day. Rewind back to the past. There was one day that I went to the factory with my dad. I saw a lot of scrap wood and sawdust scattered here and there. I asked my dad, what are we going to do with them next? He told me they will be sold as a fuel to the farmer for 5 Thai baht per sack. What a pity! For me, each piece of wood is so beautiful with its uniqueness in texture, color, and shape. And most importantly, it was a part of a big tree, a large timber which didn't grow up in a few days, but many years. As we could see from the iron rings, those are enough reason for me to bring my idea to life, to rebirth and value creation to waste wood through combining the art of carpentry with Thai handicrafts. For 9 years, we have saved deforestation of more than 100 trees. This could be measured from the volume of the goods produced by Carpenter. And we also have a long-term campaign, You Shop We Plant, that let our customers correct points from their purchase amount and redeem for seedlings which we help plant. Beyond zero waste concept, we believe that this is a sustainable way to save our planet. We want to raise awareness of the value and needs to conserve natural resources by producing eco-friendly lifestyle products, upcycling from food waste in order to prevent further deforestation or cutting down of invariable big trees. We hope that our customers would be happy to be a part of the sustainable circular economy, which leads them to bringing their positive change in daily life and sharing their inspiration with the others to save our the only one planet together, because we believe that saving the world starts with oneself. As an architect, I have applied the architectural process and design thinking to develop the products. The only difference is that in architectural process, we design space first and materials later. But for Carpenter products, we design from the existing raw materials, which is waste wood. We basically visualize what they could be and then create. So it can be anything from stationery, gadgets, fashion, accessories, to furniture, home decor items, all kinds of lifestyle products. The sky is the limit. They can be used as special gifts or premium souvenirs, as we offer product personalization using laser engraving technology to put your name or your logo on each piece and make it the only one piece in the world. Like this wooden scale, our first and signature product of carpenter, that was engraved with the name of the world's great architect and my idol, Zaha Hadid, is my most precious item. This scale won 2 CDA Design Awards, the Excellence in Crafts and the Young Designer in 2014, and also have been exported around the world. While a plastic scale takes 400 years to degrade, a wooden scale takes much less time and it could naturally decompose on Earth. For a wooden scale that do not pass our quality control, they will be upcycled to be other kind of accessory like earring or a keychain, so everything goes zero waste. In addition, a piece of waste wood that you have seen in the beginning of this clip, it was upcycled to this eco bag. This 100% craftsmanship was once exhibited in Milan Design Week 2019 and Maison Object 2020 in France. All of our products are created by designers, carpenters, and craftsmen to reflect our pride in sustainable circular economy and pass this very creation to the eco-mind customer like you. From waste to worth, use us, save the earth.
V.S.T Woods is another Thai eco-brand that is located in Chiang Mai. They specialize in creating individually unique products through the use of off-cut wood materials. Their effort is to reduce the disposal of the wood offcuts. hope that you were enlightened by these Thai eco brands' social and environmental efforts. Follow us on our next chapter in this series where we meet with Thai eco brands in the fashion industry.